Okay, next part, I'm gonna leave that for plant food. That's fertilizer. And give the screens a quick spray off. It's actually my first time ever using a hose on a screen before. But, you know, works pretty well. Let's see if I can get this in camera shot here. Yep, okay. I take a toothbrush and I really scrub hard up here along the where the slot tube, about the top 3/4 of an inch. I try to get all that algae off there. Try to get it all off through here. Now what I do is I take a toothbrush and just do a quick pass. This doesn't take a lot off, but it just loosens up anything that got loosened during the scraping, but didn't get broken free completely. And I usually try to get the bottom edge a little bit. And that's the only parts that I really scrub. Again, just spraying on the shower setting, not on the jet setting or anything. Same thing to the other half. Once over the toothbrush. Get a hose down. You have clean screen ready for next week of growth. Actually, I've got a little bit of heavy growth right here. I'm probably going to scrub that out. Let's do that quick. Just a quick pass, quick rinse. Again, this screen is over 6 months old, so it's really got a lot of algae on it. Actually, it's kind of lost some of its roughness, but that's basically it. Clean out the slot tube, put the zip ties back on, get it back in the tank. That's it.